Russia attack injures 11, including 4 children in Ukraine's army. Hospital officials in Gaza say Israel has landed over the bodies of 30 Palestinians. Pakistan and Afghanistan extend ceasefire to hold an order round of peace talks.
Now sports news headlines are as follows. India scored a historical win over Australia. It was a Women's World Cup match.
Thank you and have a nice day.
Without unity is not strength. Unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. Good morning everyone present over here, respected principal sir, teachers and dear friends. We welcome you all to today's special assembly on National Unity Day, celebrated every year on 31st October to honor the birth anniversary of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a true symbol of unity. His efforts united over 500 states into a nation, India. Today, we the students of class 6A feel proud to present this assembly to remember his great life and communicate his message of unity. To begin, we have heartless poem dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel by Aradhya. Let our word remind of his strength and vision. Aradhya, please. Good morning to one and all present over here. Today I am Aradhya of class 6A going to recite a poem about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. From princely states to humble land, his Swiss Dhamma with right hand. From princely states to humble land, his Swiss Dhamma with right hand. No SYU, no very land. A farmer's son gets straight within and bent by power and cut vessel, his lively a national whole, his gift of freedom and solving soul. So let his statue touch the skies and Indian scripture dreams to rise. Let him learn the silent mind, put in the dark to morning light. O Iron Man, your noise remember, in river, bliss and freedom's pain. Through time may pass, but your courage shall live them all. Through time may pass, but your courage shall live them all. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Radha, for that beautiful poem. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel thought continue to guide us even today. Now, Vibha Prajapati and Sejal Roy will share some powerful quotes by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Let us listen and be inspired. Good morning to one and all present over here. Today, I, Sejal Roy, and I, Vibha Prajapati, going to present some motivational quotes by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. My only desire is that India should be a good producer. No one should be hungry, shedding tears for food in country. Second, manpower without unity is not a sense unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes spiritual power. Third, take to the path of dharma, the path of truth and justice. Don't misuse your valuable, remain united. Now I call Sejal to continue. Even if we lost the wealth of thousands of lives we sacrifice, we should keep smiling and be cheerful, keeping our faith in God and truth. There is something unique in this soul, which despite many obstacles, has always remained the abode of great souls. Caste, community will rapidly disappear. We have to speedily forget all these things. Such boundaries hamper our growth. Thank you and have a nice day. That was truly motivating. Divya, do you know? Sri Rajendra Prasad said Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the leader of passion and statesman of vision. Indeed, now let's test our knowledge. Get ready for fun and exciting quiz on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, conducted by Asta and Nisha. Let's see how much we all know.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Rishabh Bhargav.
And myself, Asta Pandey.
Now we are going to start today's quiz session.
First question for Group A is, who
is known as Iron Man of India? Mahatma Gandhi, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and option D. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Yes, you are right. Next question is, where was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel born? A. Tamil Nadu, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, and option D. Madhya Pradesh. Yes, it's a right answer. Now, it's time for Group B. Group B, your first question is, what famous statue is dedicated to Sardar Patel? A. Statue of Liberty, B. Statue of Unity, C. Statue of Equality, and option D. Statue of Belief. Yes, your answer is right. Next question is, what is the name of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel father? A. Birjubhai Patel, B. Jawaharlal Patel, and option C. Rambhai Patel. No, your answer is wrong. The correct answer is Jawaharlal Patel. Now I would like to request Rishabh to continue.
Thank you, Asta. Okay, friends. This is time for Group C. Your first question is, why Sardar Patel called Iron Man of India? For his kindness, for his strength and unity efforts, and for his being a freedom fighter. The correct answer is for his strength and unity efforts. The second question is, how did Sardar Patel help in unity? Your options are, he wrote the constitution, he discovered India, and he united priestly states. Yes, you are right. The correct answer is, he united priestly states. Now this is time for Group D. Your first question is, what role did Sardar Patel play as the first Deputy Prime Minister? Your options are Defence Minister, Home Affairs and United India, and Finance Minister. Okay, the correct answer is Home Affairs and United India. The last question for Group D is, which significant movement did Patel lead in 1928, earning the title of Sardar? Your options are Champaran Satyagraha, Kheda Satyagraha, Bardoli Satyagraha. The correct answer is Bardoli Satyagraha. I hope you all have enjoyed. Thank you and have a nice day.
Wow, we have learned so much already. Dance is one of the most impactful art forms to communicate the message of unity and diversity. A vibrant dance performance that reflects the spirit of togetherness and patriotism. Let's enjoy.
भारत की मस्जिदें तोड़ो, ये श्री राम नहीं कहते। रोटी का कोई घर नहीं होता, पानी की कोई जात नहीं होती। जहाँ इंसानियत हो जिंदा, वहाँ मजहबों की बात नहीं होती। हिंदू खतरे में है, किसी को लगता है मुसलमान खतरे में है। धर्म का चश्मा उतार कर देखो मेरे दोस्त, पता चलेगा हिंदुस्तान खतरे में है। देख कौन है हम पर, जो हम धर्म के नाम पर फर्क करते हैं। कुछ उन परिंदों से भी सीखो, जो मंदिर मस्जिद हर जगह होते हैं। ना गीता बुरी है, ना कुरान बुरा है, ना हिंदू बुरा है, ना मुसलमान बुरा है, ना अल्लाह बुरा है, ना भगवान बुरा है। बेटे में जो गुस्सा है, वो शैतान बुरा है। दुआ करो हमारा हिंदुस्तान फिर से महान बने, हर हिंदू विवेकानंद और हर मुसलमान कलाम बने। ह से हिंदू, म से मुसलमान और हम से ये सारा हिंदुस्तान बने। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Ah
जयतु जयतु भारतम जयतु जयतु भारतम विश्व प्रेम की विश्व प्रेम की ओर चतरिया विश्व प्रेम की ओर चतरिया सच्चे सुर में गाता है एक सुरीली आशा लेकर सूरज नहीं गाता है विश्व प्रेम चादर लेके शुभे शुभे गाना செந்தமிழ்வாயில் புதிய புவியில் ஆயிரமானவ தோன்றிடுதே विश्व प्रेमाची ओढ चादर खऱ्या सुरांनी गातावे एक सुरेली आशा लेके सूरज नमो गायचे
Eventually, the world will become a better place to live. Now I would like to invite Jaspreet. Indeed, now I would like to invite our respected principal sir to enlighten us with his wisdom. Sir, please.
Respected parents, teachers, lovely children. Today's assembly was dedicated to Sardar Patel ji. While watching the dance, you all must have noticed that how well the children had synchronized various bits of songs. They had managed to bring in various songs in small parts, and they had made the presentation of the dance. Small units make a bigger whole. Stephen Covey, in his book, famous book of 7 Good Habits of Highly Influential People, he has spoken about 7 good habits, among which the 6th one is on, he says, highly influential people synergize. Synergizing means when you are integrated. Synergizing, in simple words, you should understand that a piece of cake can never be bigger than the cake itself. When you draw a circle and break it into small pieces, small parts, the part cannot become bigger than the whole. So it is with our lives. We work in institutions, we stay in the country, we are part of it. In our morning song also you heard, हम पंजाबी, हम गुजराती, हम बंगाली सब हैं, लेकिन क्या है उसमें सबसे पहले हम भारतवासी हैं. We cannot become bigger than our country. We cannot become bigger than the institute in which we are working, in the company that we are working. We need to believe that we are part of these smaller units. And we have our roles to play, each one of us, without which the whole will be incomplete. You need to believe that you're here for doing something good, great. Not to waste your time in petty things. We are remembering Sardar Patel today because of the great tasks that he performed. He united more than 600 princely states when the Britishers left the country. Many of the great, so-called great British leaders of that time, including Winston Churchill, were of the opinion that people of the country will not be able to manage themselves. And very soon they will ask the Britishers to come over and take over the country again to run it properly. But we proved them to be wrong. Because of great leaders, and one of them was Sardar Patel. He stands for the unity. Read about him, learn more about him inside the classrooms and when you go back homes. Today, we are also celebrating the birthday of great Bhagat Namdev Ji. He was born in Maharashtra in 13th century. He was a pioneer of Bhakti movement. Unfortunately, because of the prevailing beliefs, he was not allowed to worship inside the temple. But when he sat outside the temple and prayed, it is said that even the idols kept in the temple turned towards him. He taught through his verses, through his teachings, to be humble and to be God-fearing. Trust the God and He will do the things for you. He even taught that for doing meditation, for doing worship, you don't have to go to some secluded place. While doing your job itself, wherever you are, if you try to concentrate and learn to meditate, that is the true meditation. Because anyone can go and sit in a quieter place and think that he or she is meditating without any disturbance. You need to practice it so much that you can do it even when you are amidst people. You're moving in the marketplace, but in your heart, you are remembering your Lord. That is true meditation, it was taught by Bhagat Namdev Ji. 61 of his verses, his slokas, his shabdas are included in Guru Granth Sahib. So when you get time at home, again I would advise, because it's not possible to share everything in the assembly. Similarly, it's not possible for your class teachers to share these things in your classrooms. For those who are inquisitive to know more about Namdev Ji, I would suggest, go back home. There are so many medias through which you can access. Through Google, through ChatGPT, through GI Geminis, anything. Download one or two shabads and learn what he has to say. That way you will be paying a rich tribute to such people. Today, children, we also take the integrity pledge. I would request all the parents also to join us. Please join in taking this pledge. Raise your right hands. What I am reading out. I believe that corruption has been one of the major obstacles to economic, political, and social progress of our country. I believe that all stakeholders, as government, citizens, and private sector, need to work together to eradicate corruption. I realize that every citizen should be vigilant and commit to higher standards of honesty and integrity at all times and support the fight against corruption. I therefore pledge to follow probity and rule of law in all walks of life, to neither take nor offer bribe, to perform all tasks in an honest and transparent manner, to act in public interest, to lead by example, exhibiting integrity in personal behavior, to report any incident of corruption to the appropriate agency. Jai Hind.
The path of duty and the path of truth and justice. That is the path for the good India. We know that